Good morning, fourth graders. Today is Friday, February 5th. Your must-dos are as follows. For math, you need to work in your MT course and complete a lesson and or a practice page. And you also need to do 1 day's worth of lessons in your Fluency Playground. Once you finish those, if you would like to work in your Flex course, you may do that. You may work in Freckle, SumDog, or Prodigy. I've had a couple learners this week specifically ask if today they could do Prodigy. Today would be a great day to do Prodigy. Or if you have another math game that you'd like to work on, you're more than welcome to do that as well. For reading today, you need to complete the lesson of the day in Kickstand and your Wonders to-do list. And then you need to read to yourself for at least 30 minutes. Make sure you are continuously writing down in that blue reading log that I gave you a while back. If you need a new reading log, please reach out and let me know. You can send me a message in Kickstand or in Class Dojo, either one. For writing, there is no lesson today for writing. We are right in the middle of a project. Some people, we've started sharing projects, but I will put a grammar review in Kahoot in our Bitmoji classroom for you to do today. Always as an option, you can do the games and wonders for reading, and you can work in Epic. I've noticed that not too many people have been logging into Epic. Please take advantage of this. It's free, and there are so many books and read-alongs and kid-appropriate videos to watch. You can also, the can-dos are like an extra PE lesson in your specials courses. There are music lessons and there are STEAM lessons. Remember Mrs. Daly showed you Quaver a couple weeks back. You can get into Quaver and do some composing. But other than that, it's going to be really cold this weekend. And so stay warm. And don't forget, Super Bowl is on Sunday. Don't stay up too late. And I will see you bright and early on Monday morning. It's going to be really cold. Have a good weekend.